Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. This is another in a series of videos that I'm doing, short videos where I'm breaking down how you can make money using the Osmosis Dex.
TOKENMETRICS is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams.
You can see here my playlist from Odyssey, and so far I've done 5 videos on how to make money from Osmosis Dex. First off is how to get a good passive income, then how to set up and install the Kepler wallet, number 2. Number 3, very short, sharp video on how to send money and receive money using Kepler, and then how to stake rewards and claim your rewards. And number 5 was how to add to Osmosis pools. And what is yield farming? What does it mean to add to pools? Now in this video, which is number 6 of the series, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your rewards from the pools. Now before I continue, please subscribe, follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT, join my official Telegram announcements channel, and please do come and support my work on Odyssey, where I post everything I do is on Odyssey, including videos that I don't dare post on YouTube because of the censorship on YouTube. I'll have all the links in the description below, but you could just go to bit.ly/CryptoRichOdyssey. Now the first thing I want to do is make sure my VPN is on. This encrypts all the data going in and out of my computer. I have an affiliate link, nordvpn.com/CryptoRich, and that'll give you up to 2/3 off some of their packages. Now this is osmosis.zone, and this is the best, sweetest DEX that I've come across in the entire cryptocurrency system. There may be ones that are easier and better and stuff, but I like this one, and it is the most liquid DEX for the Cosmos ecosystem and the Cosmos assets. It has the most number of Cosmos assets. Now what I'm going to do, I've already connected my Kepler wallet. I'm going to go to the account where I have the pools. Now Osmosis Dex has a couple of alliterations. There's app.osmosis.zone, which is the main one, and then there's frontier.osmosis.zone. And Frontier isn't in any way curated, so pretty much anyone can list anything that runs on the IBC protocol, the inter-blockchain communication protocol for Cosmos assets that allows them to communicate with each other. So you do have to watch out and be careful, because you could end up purchasing tokens that have no real validity, or that are scams or failures or something, right? Now, let's go to pools. And what I do invite you to do is to watch the video on how to add to pools. And you'll see here, this is the Atom Osmo pool. Now I added about 29.6 Osmo in my previous video, video number 5, to this pool. And what the pool does, what the DEX does, is it split it 50-50 into Atom and Osmo. And then I bonded most of it for a day, and I did some for, I think I did a third for 14 days. And that's so I can get additional staking rewards as well as the pool rewards, which come from a share of the swap fees of all the transactions between Atom and Osmo on this DEX. Now, I unbonded the one-day bonding. And what the one-day bonding is, I got to give a day's notice before those cryptos are liquid again. And here I've got 14 days unbonding, which I've also unbonded, but that'll take another 7 days. And I'm going to go to another account to show you how to unbond. It's very, very simple. Okay, here's another pool, Rebus Osmo. I've got the grand sum of $11.30, and it's earning me 12 cents a day. Now, in a subsequent video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your returns through a particular application that I'll talk to you about, and thus you can get ridiculously more returns than you would otherwise by using this application. I'm also going to do a video which is going to show you where you can get lots of information, statistical and analytical information and staking reward information for the Osmosis Dex. And I'm going to do a video to talk about airdrops. Airdrops can be incredibly lucrative, and a simple way of understanding airdrops is free money. Okay, so let me show you how to unbond. Here, I've 1 day unbonding nothing, 7 days unbonding nothing, 14 days unbonding 87.923 shares. Now that represents my shares of the whole of the entire pool. So if, for example, the entire pool contained $1,000 worth of crypto and I had 100, then my shares would be equivalent to 10% of that pool. And this is the way that it's calculated. And all I do is click on unbond. And what the 14 days unbonding means is there will be 14 days before my assets are liquid. And because it's the Osmo Dex, I can click on low, and there's no fees on this for low. And low doesn't take long at all, as you're about to see any moment. There you go. The transaction is successful. And in 14 days' time, my $11.30 will be free. And hopefully, it'll be worth more by the time it's free. But who knows these days? So back to the account where I had put the Atom and the Osmo in video number 5, and I've already unbonded 1 day's reward, which is about $21, and I've still got $11 worth of crypto bonded for 14 days, which is going to be available in 7 days. Now, when the unbonding period is over, which it is here, it'll say so, unbonded here, $21. So I click on remove liquidity, and I can, see how much I want to take, this much, that much. I want all of it, 10.62 Osmo, 1.07 Atom, and that'll be about 21.2 Osmos worth in total. So I want max, click on remove liquidity, and I am going to choose low fees, click on approve, transaction broadcasting, and you'll see how quick the low fee is, even though it's a low fee. And that's because of Cosmos and the way that their technology works. Very, very fast confirmation times. Even on a low fee, slow is still quick. There you go. Transaction successful. I can look at it on the Explorer should I wish to. And you can see there's $11 still bonded, which is here. It's going to be available in 7 days because I unbonded it 7 days ago. And now what I'm going to do, well, where are those Atom and Osmo? Where are they showed up? Click on assets. That's it. Click on assets, and there it is. 10.654073 Osmo and 1.74115 Atom. And if I want to withdraw it to my Kepler wallet, I can do a swap, and I showed that I think in video number 3 how to swap between different assets. I could convert this to the Atom to USDC or CRO or WBNB, which is wrap BNB or Juno, but I'm actually not going to convert it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to withdraw the Atom to my Kepler wallet, click on all, withdraw Atom, and again, I'm going to approve the transaction on a low fee. This has cost me nothing in fees so far, and it's been pretty quick. And once the transaction has completed, it's been confirmed, I can send it to another address should I wish to do so straight away. Transaction successful, view the Explorer, or let's have a look at the Kepler wallet that it's connected to. There's the Osmosis that I have. Whoops. Or let's look at the Kepler wallet that it's connected to. Click on that, click on Cosmos, and IBC transfer complete. And let's click on the wallet that it's transferred to. So you can actually have a see, there you go, Cosmos Hub, which is Atom, and there it is, 1.088389. That includes a little bit of Atom that I've left in the wallet for transaction fees. So that is how you unbond and remove the assets. I've covered how you can bond. I've covered how you can swap. I've covered how you can send and receive. I've covered how you can set up the Kepler wallet. I've done an overview in video 1 of the entire Cosmos ecosystem. Then the next thing I'm going to do, or still coming up, I haven't decided which one to do, is all about airdrops, how to get even more crypto for free with the Osmosis Dex. And I'm also going to do videos on how to get information on the Osmosis Dex assets, and also how you can capitalize on your returns, where to get and how to get the best rewards in pools. Now make sure you subscribe, follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the description below. And between now and when I see you next, keep filling your pockets with Osmo profits. And I want to say this one thing, right? I notice my videos aren't getting a lot of views right now. That's what happens in a bear market. It's the smart people that are paying attention to crypto in the bear market. Don't put in any more than you can afford to lose. But right now, by taking these small, steady, consistent steps, you are building a powerful foundation for the future. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. Between now and when I see you next, all the best. Bye-bye.